change a data source from a pivot table. So as you can see, we are going to use a pivot table. So let's first of all create our pivot table. So the first thing you need to do is that you select the table, okay, and you go on insert and you click on table. From here you will tell, or you will notify that your headers is included in the table, meaning your table has headers, okay. So now you can either name the table or you just leave like that. It will depend on you, but we are going to leave it like that and interest ourselves on creating the pivot table. So while creating the pivot table, you will have this layout as normally, and then this will be this is how our pivot table will look like. So this being done, we can actually see that our pivot table has been created, and it has shown, or it has taken us on this layout, okay. So the next thing you need to do is that, first of all, let's see how it is possible to change a data from a data source. So let's assume that we might be this number not to be 102 but to be 103, okay. So 103, and let's come on the second table and see whether it will be the same. So football 102. So let's see pardon. So let's see whether it will actually bring itself to 103. So as you can see, as we refresh, the 103 value has been already or automatically set up, okay. So I hope you guys love the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So for the next video, please try and subscribe and share and like. So let's meet in the next videos. Bye bye.